Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the playable test character glitch in Crossover Sonic RPG roleplay version 3. Okay, first thing you want to do, you just have to keep the test character where you start off when you join the game, and then once you do, and go talk to anyone, and then click, for example, I'm going to talk to this guy right here, so click on him, and then click buy, and then voila, you now have a playable test character. So you can just run around with the test character, you can run around with the test character, but just don't turn into your super form, fake or dark form, flame form, or your hyper form, because if you do use all these forms, the character will disappear and stuff, so don't use these. So anyways, that's how you do the playable test character glitch. Thanks for watching.